Hi there, my name is Maradel and I made this video to share and talk about some key things I do to prepare for a new semester. Let's begin. Firstly, in order to have at least smooth semester in terms of studies, we have to prepare a schedule or action plan. And personally, I think about things I have in my life in the beginning. And so certainly I have university where today I started new academic semester, and this is what we focus on the schedule. I used to write my plans on my daily journal, but my perfectionism didn't let me to continue this after discovering the power of this digital journaling or scheduling and of course planning. So in planning, I visualize the big picture of the semester, and then based on it, I design my life for near 8 weeks. And I used Google Calendar for organizing all this stuff. And by the way, I also prepare a small plan that will guide me during the whole semester. I structure my weekly plan based on my timetable, and based on this timetable, I organize other aspects of my life. So add another weekly basis and daily basis activities or some events or gatherings only that I know in advance. I allocate extra time for each activity, and because no one knows how it can go, and mostly this extra time serve as a transitional time to switch to different activities. Not all days go according to plan, and that's okay. Therefore, I have 2 blocks for unforeseen circumstances. But if affairs go okay, I spend this time for something productive, like retrieving what I learned or rereading books, scripting my videos, or have a sleep. Not just because I love sleeping, but also it's good for my health, of course. Also, I try to be flexible, and therefore I often make some weekly changes depending on my needs. After preparing whole schedule, I prioritize all activities so I have a clear vision what to focus on. And prioritizing helps me if something goes wrong, because I know what's the priority and what I can postpone for another time. Moreover, I have special 2 blocks for unforeseen cases. In order to live through a successful semester, I develop habits of studying, and I allocate specific amount of time for studying and make clear plan for this and according to subjects I have. And in previous semester, on average, I spent 3 to 4 hours a day. And because I tried different methods of studying simultaneously and also did homeworks by heart, I rarely did it before. But now I decided to spend maximum 6 hours a week for university studies and don't spend any more time for this. And even though I'm pretty sure that I won't have better results, and I believe that I will have almost the same, near to 4 point something GPA or 3 point something. I developed a habit to make a plan for a whole day from the morning. It can take from 5 to 10 minutes, but it helps me to concentrate on major things. Also, within the same time, at the end of the day, I journal myself. I'm experimenting from December 20. Soon I'm going to make a video about my experience journaling for 30 days. If you support this idea, let me know in the comments. And regarding the third key thing, I've created a small guide page on Notion for Soul 19 students, for my friends from uni. This guide will include all necessary stuff and information to study the subject that we're studying at university, and will be enough for preparing for exams. At the end of each week, I will update and input all new stuff we learned in lectures, and I will fill out every week this page during the whole semester every time we learn something. And this guide will be structured in a way that you can learn and be able to retrieve the information right there via toggles. And if you want to know more detailed information about active recall, you can watch the video over here where I explain the active recall retrieval practice in details. So it's optimized guide built in a centralized manner to help you, and you can access it by the link below and use it whenever you want and wherever you want. Hope you find this video useful and gained new insights for yourself. Yeah, I wish you all the best in your studies and see you next time. Bye.